Yes. Are you ready for another striking interview?
Yes.
Do you want me to show him? He always.
ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि इसके सिर पे कोई हथौड़ा मार के एक साइड का पचका दिया हो?
I think. I think he has been beaten very hard by somebody. Do you also think the same? What I
I
think.
think so. I concur.
So, did you like the movie Chhawa?
Yes, I liked it.
What did you like about it?
I mean, I I enjoyed watching Chhawa and I liked the approach of Akshay Kumar,
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Khanna's character, the way he tried to portray a brooding, cold man,
Hmm.
a man driven solely by the intent of expanding his income, his territorial limits.
Income.
Ah,
Why do you think Akshay Kumar had a?
Akshay Kumar.
Because of you, I am also committing the
Yes,
same mistake. Why
yes.
do you think Akshay Khanna approached this character differently this time?
No, I think Akshay Khanna did not approach this character differently. The character itself is shrouded with so much of mystique and is hated so much by the Indian population because of his varying accounts of acts of religious bigotry.
Do
Where
you think he has been able to portray the real picture of his
see,
character which he was playing?
one can only imagine there are 10,000 Aurangzebs being picturized by different viewers according to the level of information that they have regarding the king. But we all can agree that he was a man uh, who is in general hated by people because of his uh, religious acts of leaning towards Islamic scriptures, practicing a kind of Islam that was not supported by the vast majority of Indian subcontinent.
What do you think of the story
He
of the
was
movie? Do
he
you
was
think the
he was equally
director?
vile for the Muslims, and he was equally uh, abhorred by the Hindus as well. But when we know what's there in the books, we find that there is something that is missing.
What was missing?
I think he was a man who was driven by his own needs of capturing the biggest chunk of Indian subcontinent, taking the Mughal rule to places where it was not so earlier during the times of his predecessors.